Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Snowflake for secure data sharing, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate Snowflake for secure data sharing, begin by logging into your Snowflake account. Navigate to the Snowflake web interface. Select the desired role that has the necessary permissions to create secure shares. Open the Worksheet tab to begin executing SQL commands. Create a secure share by using the command create share share name. Replace your share name with a relevant name for your share. Add the objects you want to share using the command alter share share name. Add database database name. You might also want to include specific schemas and tables in this command. To grant access to specific accounts, use the command grant usage on share share name to account identifier. Make sure to replace account identifier with the actual account you want to share with. Verify the share by executing the command show shares. Ensure your newly created share appears in the results. If you need to modify the share later, use the alter share command again with appropriate adjustments. To share individual tables or views, use commands like alter share share name. Add table table name. Double check that all objects are correctly added to the share. To establish the share on the receiving end, the other account must run the command create database database name from share share provider share name. After successfully creating the database from the share, it will be accessible like any other database. Remember to regularly review and audit the access permissions for shared data. This enhances security and ensures compliance with your data governance policies. Monitor your sharing activity through Snowflake's usage dashboards for ongoing oversight. Finally, ensure all users understand how to access and use the shared data efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.